First of all, everybody make some motherfucking love, some noise for Jay motherfucking Z. Word to God, listen. There's only two reasons I'm here today. I just landed here today from London. And everybody that know Jay Electronica know that I wasn't doing no shows before the album. I sent Jay an email the other day saying, yo, you ain't even asked me to get on Made in America. He said, yo, come do 20 minutes, da-da-da. But plus, it's because of Philly. Philly is a close city to me. I lived here for years. Philly is a real motherfucking city. Philly is the heart of the tri-state area. How many Jay Dilla fans we got out here? Y'all know that me and my DJ, we rep fucking Jay Dilla to the fullest. This is my DJ TJ the King, Young Mustafa.
DJ TJ.
He learned everything he know from Jay Dilla. Everybody, right now, what we gonna do is put one finger in the air for Jay Dilla. Everybody, put one finger in the air for Jay Dilla. And on the count of three, we gonna make as much noise as we motherfucking can for the late great Jay Dilla. All right, you ready? 1, 2.